me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my go-to everyday super flawless baddie makeup, okay. And I just have not showed you guys like my updated everyday makeup routine in a while, so I thought that this was a long awaited, well maybe not long awaited, long overdue, let's just say that. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into how I beat this face on a daily. So just keep watching. So I'm gonna start off with primer. I've been using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer and I just really like it. I love Smashbox primers as a whole. They're just very, you know, very good. I talked about this in my Thanksgiving makeup tutorial, so I'm not gonna like go crazy into depth about how much I love this primer, but just know that it's pretty freaking good. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Born This Way foundation from TooFaced. I'm in the color Warm Sand, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over my face. And I'm going to be using my Equate Beauty spoon. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Be right back. I need to go warm this up. Okay, so I learned this from one of my favorite YouTubers, Arnell, that your sponge works better when it's like warm. So anytime that I can remember to, I make sure to warm my sponge up by running it under some warm water. Gotta go around the little baby hair because as you can see, these edges are baking underneath this scarf, sis. And I went a little light to start with. I think I'm gonna add like another layer, which is something I like about this foundation. It's really buildable, so you can get it to the finish you want. Right now, it's very natural looking. You know, you can still see my skin peeking through, but I want to be beat on a daily. Beat. But that's definitely one of the pros of this foundation is that you can be beat or you can be, you know, slight beat, baby beat. I like to be beat though. So I'm gonna add another pump on each side. See, sis, now we getting there. Nice and flawless. How beat do y'all get on a daily basis? Like, I understand that everybody doesn't wear makeup every day. And for the most part, like, I don't wear makeup every day. If I'm going somewhere, I'm probably gonna put on some makeup, but if I'm just chilling at the crib, like I'm not about to beat my face. But I'd say on the regular, I'm pretty beat. Like I'm a pretty neutral beat. What about you guys? Like, are y'all a light baby beat? Are you like a medium neutral beat? Or are you just beat to the gods all the time, just cause? Which is nothing wrong with any of those. I just want to know you guys' preference. So make sure you really blend all of that out. You do not want to see lines of demarcation. You know what I'm saying? If you're feeling real fancy, you can go in with a brush and blend too. But I'm not feeling real fancy. Now it's time for concealer. I'm gonna go with my LA Pro concealer in Almond instead because this one I didn't pull off. So we're gonna put that underneath my eyes. I'm gonna do my chin. And as you guys can see, this isn't like too much lighter than my actual complexion. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild concealer in medium peach and I'm gonna mix that in here too because I want my under eye to be, you know, relatively bright and healthy looking. So y'all, a little taboo topic while I'm doing my makeup. Have y'all been watching Surviving R. Kelly? Like, I feel like that's all I have been seeing everywhere is Surviving R. Kelly. Twitter, the gram. I don't get on Facebook, but I'm sure Facebook is lighting up because this is their age group, you know. I have not watched it, but today I watched Cosmoholics Anonymous's like she did like a kind of a recap, I guess you could say. And so I watched that because curiosity had just gotten to me, and it is crazy. Like, it's absolutely crazy. I'm so disgusted. And as if the actions weren't disgusting enough, I'm so disgusted by people's response. Like, people are just crazy. Let me know what you guys think about the whole debacle in the comments below. But it's just wild. Sorry, I know that's completely unrelated, but like, it's been on my mind because I watched the recap today, and I'm disgusted. I don't even want to see the name Robert Kelly anymore. Like, and it sucks because Ignition was such a bop, but no longer. No longer. Okay, so now that I have my concealer on, I'm going to go ahead and bake using the Makeup Revolution banana powder. Absolutely love this product, as I always say, but I cannot stand the packaging. Like, the packaging makes me want to throw the whole product away. Like, do y'all have any products like that where you love the product itself, but the packaging just makes you want to slap your mama? I would never slap my mama, but just saying. So I gotta use a paper towel to get the product up there because the packaging is so trash. And I'm coming in like close to my nose so that I can like do a little bit of reverse contouring, because I haven't really been contouring my nose lately. Now I like to take the excess and like go and set by my jawline. Now I'm gonna take my Black Radiance Soft Focus powder. So I'm gonna be using this powder brush, and I'm just gonna like be applying this all over. This really is what gives me that flawless, smooth finish. It's almost like a filter. And now I'm gonna go ahead and bronze and contour. So I'm gonna take the e.l.f. contour palette in dark and my e.l.f. pointed powder brush, and I'm gonna just like dip in between these last two. I think I'm actually gonna start with the lighter one to just kind of get my face nice and bronzy. I just washed my brushes and I tried to dry them really quickly with a blow dryer, but that might not have been my best bet, because I'm just really hoping that my products don't apply patchy because my brushes are still wet. I'm gonna take the darker color and just kind of lightly get up here. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. I fucking knew it. I knew that was gonna happen. It's okay, we can fix that. I'm gonna take the powder brush I use with that Black Radiance powder and just blend that all together. Then I'm gonna contour my forehead after I finish the rest of my makeup, because I don't wanna, you know, disturb these baking edges. And I'm going to put some powder over my eyebrows. So I've started doing my eyebrows after my skin because I don't know, like before, I don't know if it's because my eyebrows were like greasy or oily or whatever, but anytime that I would do my eyebrows first, like they just would not come out as good. But now, since I started doing this, my eyebrows come out super flaky. So just making sure to set them with powder before I even start touching them, so that my product don't be slipping and sliding, because that's what it does, child. So I'm using the NARS Brow Perfector pencil in the color Dark Brown Cool, and I'm just going to lightly filling my brows. If you guys want a updated brow tutorial, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so back, got the brows fleek. So now we're gonna do some highlighter. So I'm going to spray my face. This is like just some rose water. And if your water or setting spray has like a harsh nostril, make sure you spray kind of far away, because I used to spray too close and it would leave like little, you know, beads and stuff. I'm gonna take the Artist Couture highlighter in Illuminati and my e.l.f. highlighting brush. This stuff is so bomb. I've had this for like 2 years and it doesn't even look like I cracked a dent in it, because you have to be so light-handed. I just do a little C-shaped motion like that. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, we are glowing now. We are glowing now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to lips. So I'm gonna line my lips with the NYX Brown Lip Pencil. Rub your lips together to blend that liner out a little bit. Then I'm going to take my MAC Longwear Lip Pencil in Culture and just kind of like blend the edges. Okay, and then to finish off the lips, I'm going to take this Nicka K Lip Gel. It's just a clear lip gloss from the beauty supply store. Beans. Now let's go back up to the eyes. So I'm gonna put some mascara on. So the mascara that I've been using is this Arbonne. It's a Long Story mascara, and it was, oh yes, can I even see this? It was sent to me. I will put a link to the description box down below. I have really been liking this. It's like, I don't know, I just feel like it really gets each of those lashes. See, it just really defines my lashes and it gets all of them. So yeah, now I'm gonna go off camera and put my lashes on, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I have my lashes on now. So let's go ahead and take my scarf off so I can finish my face. Ugh. Okay, so this is pretty much it. This is my everyday beat. Super easy, super quick. When I'm not filming, it only takes me about 10-15 minutes to beat this face really quick, you know what I'm saying? It's really just skin, lashes, lips, your everyday, in a jiffy, quick, gotta look cute but don't have the time to look cute, okay? How are y'all feeling my jumbo ponytail? I kind of got a little carried away with the little curls, but don't mind me. I gotta put on some hoop earrings. Okay, so I was feeling real incomplete. Went and got the hoops. Let's see if this takes me where I need to be. Oh yeah, that's what was missing. That is what was missing, sis. Some big ass hoop earrings. Oh my god, I cannot get this one in. There we go. There we go, sis. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I've done everything I needed to do. I've showed you guys how I beat this face, okay? Just remember, you are not done till you add your earrings, sis. Oh my god. Guys, I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. Feeling myself. So, yeah. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And remember, in order to live your life to its fullest, you must live fearlessly. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.